Have you ever thought what would happen to your family finances if something happened to you tomorrow? This happened with Ramesh, who is a government school teacher for 35 years. Every month, without fail, he set aside a little. A fixed deposit here, a provident fund there, a small mutual fund for his daughter's wedding. He never told anybody. He thought one day I'll sit down and explain it. But that Sunday never came. When Ramesh suffered a stroke, his family was by his side, emotionally, physically, but financially, they were completely alone. No passwords, no account numbers, no idea which bank, which branch, which scheme, no will, not even a handwritten note about his wishes. And so a family that loved him deeply was left to navigate courts, paperwork, and uncertainty at the worst possible time. No nominees updated, no one knew which insurance existed or whether the claims could ever be filed. The money existed, the love behind it existed, but the connection broken. Ramesh's story isn't real. It's happening in millions of Indians' homes right now. Silently, painfully. Hard-earned money meant for the children's education, a parent's retirement, a family's security, slowly becoming invisible. Not stolen, not lost, just forgotten. What if there was one place, safe, simple, trusted, where a family's entire financial picture lived on? Even when the memory fades, even when the worst happens. That's WealthX, India's first wealth continuity platform. With WealthX, you can discover all your active and forgotten accounts in one place. File and track claims on dormant assets. Build a family's financial tree so your loved ones never left guessing. And here is what Ramesh never got to do, but you still can. Create a digital will on WealthX, not a document buried in the drawer or locked in a lawyer's office. Your family will never know about it. A living, secure, accessible will that spells out your wishes clearly and reaches your loved ones the moment they need it. Because dying without a will doesn't just create confusion, it creates conflict, delay, a heartbreak for the very people you spent your life protecting. Update nominees across all your accounts in one place and make sure your loved ones know which insurance policy you hold so no claim is ever missed in the moment it needed the most. Guided by the norms of SEBI and RBI, built with the trust your family deserves. Because the greatest act of love isn't just building the wealth for your family, it's making sure they find it when they need it the most. Wealth is your family's financial memory, making every family crisis ready and inheritance ready.